In this video, friends, I will show you how to edit your PDF in PDF Architect. So friends, all you have to do, open PDF Architect and then click over PDF and then select your PDF on your computer or desktop. After that, guys, wait to loading this your PDF, and from here, guys, this is your PDF and you can start your editing your PDF easily without any problems. You can adjust large and you can adjust longer, and you have a plan across this one. And if I go back, guys, you have capture option and you can click create and novel documentations. You have plus icon, and if I go back, guys, you can replace its sign and you can edit. Click this edit, guys, option, for example edit, and you can start your editing your PDF. You can delete your text, you can add also the text, for example test one, and you can manage you can add insert line from here, guys. You can add line also, and you can add the text from here, this text option, and you can add image from your browse and give or something like this. So this is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps to edit your PDF and Architect. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more.